You can just hear that hail. It's just pounding on the roof. Wouldn't surprise me if there goes our shingles and possibly our siding. I saw some hail, and it looked, oh man, looked about the size of a loonie coming down, mixed in with a bunch of stuff that's about the size of quarters.
Oh yeah, I got pictures.
And up the street, I can see our storm sewer is backing up about 4 houses down, with getting plugged off with hail, and the street's starting to back up. Yeah, look at her come. Welcome to Alberta. If you don't like the weather, wait 10 minutes. Alright, here's a guy, he's plowing through the water there. The hail is just so intense that it's plugged off the storm sewers, and everything's backing right up. And it's backing right up to our driveway, and the storm sewer is actually about 5 houses away. And there's some of the big hail that's kind of mixed in with the other stuff. So I don't know. I think it looks like we might be getting a new roof, and by the sounds of the way it's pounding the side of the house, probably a new set of some siding as well. This is our first major storm that it's hit all around us, but it's never hit in this area so far this year. Yeah, look at that. It's back right up to our driveway now. And even up the street, right to the corner. Ha! Just started about 15-20 minutes ago. Now so much for the leaves on our trees and Judy's poor flower bed. We're going to get just hammered. I apologize for the lines in the video. I'm looking out through the screen. Whoa, now we're getting some really big hail. Looks like about the size of tennis balls. Look at that puppy, eh? There's a whole bunch of them. Okay. Let's just open our garage door here. There's some bugger trying to plow through the water with a trailer. Look at that, eh? Holy crumb. Yeah, I think there's going to be a few busted tail lights and headlights and dented up hoods in the roof. You got to put a street light that's going into a state of apoplexy. He doesn't even know what it's doing. Look at that, it's bouncing right into the garage here. Wow. It's cold, it's going in my shoes. There's, yeah, a whole street, and it actually, believe it or not, our street runs downhill to the east, which is all full. And there's some poor bugger, he's walking home from work, and he actually put on a hard hat. He sort of beats the shit out of him. Holy crap. Ah, poor guy. Okay, here it is about 6:45 now. For the most part, the hail is done, and the rain's let up to next to nothing. But wow, everything is like just flooded. There, well, walk out into the street. boulders and clothes. Right up on people's yards, guys' campers there. Oh well, that's pretty cool. Well, so much for Judy's gorgeous flower beds. They're well watered, but there's nothing to water. Her flowers just got pounded. Wow. And of course her poor lilac tree. There's all the leaves. Look at that. Just defoliated it. Look at that. And that's what Judy's got. She picked up just on the ground. Yeah. Oh well, the greenhouses could be making a killing right now because I bet you everybody's flowers got hammered. Well, this is the alleyway between our place and the neighbors. It's got about, oh, I don't know, 3.5, 4 inches of standing water. But I just went downstairs and checked our sump, and the ground was so dry and the water came down so fast, it's not even going into the sump yet. But I do want to get in the backyard and take a look at our poor pond and stream and even our track, the poor old Aikenknees Railway there. Well, son of a gun. And I guess tomorrow I'll go up, take a look at the roof and the siding and see just what happened. Look at that, eh? All the way down. There's our laneway and our sidewalk and stuff going down to the street. Wow.